Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7, so we're going to presentation about face recognition for simple attendance. So my name is Ardi Juan Manaf with name 2024320002.
My name is Farel Mahandika, name 20243201.
My name is Ahmad Fatil Zianubiski, name 20243276.
So conduct a more in-depth analysis of how the AI system can be conceptually implemented by considering data aspect, method, and ethics.
Number one is describe the characteristic of the data to be used, structure, size, format, answer A. Data structure, unstructured data, facial image of users captured through a camera. This data is in the form of digital image that vary in facial expressions, capture angles, camera distance, and lighting conditions, semi-structured data supporting data such as name, student employed ID or name, class or division, and the time the facial image is captured. This data is usually stored in JSON format or as additional attribute in a database. Structured data, attendance data stored in tabular form, consisting of user ID, data, check-in time, check-out time, and attendance status. B is data size. A simple attendance system does not require a very large data set. Each user generally has 5 to 20 facial image used as training data. The total data size depends on the number of users. For example, dozens to hundreds of individuals. The data must be sufficiently varied to ensure accurate facial recognition by the system. C. Data format, video if using a real-time camera, MP4 attendance and identity data, CSV, JSON, or SQL database.
Next, number 2, explain the most suitable AI approach and the reason. Answer, the most suitable AI approach is computer vision using face recognition techniques, which are part of machine learning and deep learning. The system operates by first performing face detection to locate the facial area in an image, followed by face recognition to match the detect face with stored data in the database. This approach is chosen because the face is a unique biometric identity, making the attendance process faster and more practical, as well as capable of reducing fraud such as proxy attendance.
Number 3 is describe the conceptual system, architecture, input, process, output, and component.
Bagus data lah anjing ta. Gak tahu lupa ada 3 tuh.
Input. The input of a simple face recognition attendance system comes from facial image captured directly using camera device such as webcams, laptop camera, or smartphone camera. During the attendance process, users only need to stand or sit facing the camera so that their face are clearly visible. In addition to facial image, the system also uses previously registered user identity data such as name, student, employee ID or name, class or user ID. This TV data is stored in a database and server as the main reference in the face matching process. With both facial input and identity data, the system can ensure that attendance is performed by the correct individual process. The processing stage is the core part of the face recognition-based attendance system. The process begins with capturing facial image in real time using a camera. The captured image then goes through a processing stage, which involves initial image processing to improve image quality. At this stage, the image is converted into grayscale to simply data processing and normalization is applied to make facial lighting more uniform. After pre-processing, the system performs face detection to identify and separate the facial area from the image background. This stage ensures that the object being processed is indeed a human face. Next, the system processes the to the face recognition stage, where detected facial features are compared with facial data stored in the database. If a match is found, the user is declared valid. The final stage of the process is attendance recording, where the system automatically records the user attendance without requiring manual input.
Next, output. The output produced by the face recognition attendance system is user attendance information. The system displays attendance status, such as present if the face is successfully recognized or unrecognized if the face does not match the database records. In addition, the system records attendance time, including the data and the time when the use performed attendance. All attendance data is stored in the system or database and can be used to generate attendance reports, such as daily, weekly, or monthly recaps. With this output, the attendance process becomes more practical, faster, and reduce the possibility of recording errors.
Number 4 is identify potential bias of ethical risk in implementing AI in this case. The answer is the face recognition system have potential biases such as reduced accuracy under low lighting condition, difficultly recognition face with accessories such as mark or glasses, and dataset that do not represent all variation of user face. Ethical risks that may arise include violation of biometric data privacy, misuse of facial data, and system usage without user consents. Therefore, user consent, data security measure, and system access imitation are required to minimize this risk.
Next, 5 is create a simple simulation in the form of a mock-up flow diagram or the showed code. Answer is 1 is start. This stage marks the beginning of the face recognition-based attendance system process. The system is activated and ready to automatically record user attendance. Next step is active camera. At this stage, the system active the connected camera device, such as a webcam or laptop camera. The camera serves as the primary tool for capturing users' facial image in real time during the attendance process. Next step is capture facial image. After the camera is activated, the system captures the user's facial image. The user is instructed to face the camera so that the face can be clearly captured. The captured image becomes the main data to be processed in the next stage.
In the last, face detection. In the face detection stage, the system analyzes the captured image to detect and confirm the presence of a human face. This process aims to separate the facial area from the background so that only the face is processed further. Next, face recognition. After the face is successfully detected, the system performs face recognition by comparing the extract facial features with facial data stored in the database. If the face match exciting data, the user identity is recognized by the system. Next, record attendance. If the user's face is successfully recognized, the system automatically record the user's attendance. The record data includes user identity, date, and attendance time. This process is performed without manual input, making it faster and more accurate. Finish. This tag marks the end of the attendance process. The system has successfully recorded the user attendance and is ready to be used by the next user.
I think that's it from us, and thank you so much.